Hey guys, today we're gonna bake very healthy muffins. We're gonna use bran flour, and instead of using water, we're gonna use oat milk. And we're gonna add banana, nuts, and chocolate chips to make it more healthier. So what we're gonna start with, we're gonna take this and put 3 cups of 1/3 flour inside.
3 1/3.
Yeah, 3 and 1/3.
So
We're gonna have this here.
So Ate, what am I gonna start with?
We're gonna start
Okay,
by
you
this
can start
By
first.
squishing?
It's hard to get this.
Yeah.
So the one.
I want banana.
Okay, keep mashing.
I really want banana right now. It makes me feel to eat this.
There's another cup.
So many cups already there?
2 cups. Now we're gonna do the 3rd cup.
And that's the
And
last
then
one.
1/3.
There.
Now we only need 1/3. So I'm gonna turn it so I can see where's the 1/3.
1/3 is the second. Okay.
Yeah, it's the right one. 1/3. Then we have to do the egg. So I'm gonna put this one right here first and do the egg. Put the egg here. Take out the shells that are there.
What are you now doing?
Squish it. And I can
Beating
stir
the
it.
egg.
Beating the egg.
And
Now I'm done beating the egg, and now I'm gonna put the oat milk into the cup and into the egg.
And
so we have to put 1 cup and 1/3 of oat milk to the egg.
I'm finished.
Mix together with the egg.
I'm finished squishing that
So we have to
banana.
put 1 cup first.
And now look how it looks like. So
Here
soft.
we need 1 cup first.
Okay.
Here we have
1
1 cup
cup.
now.
1 cup. 1 cup. Spill. There.
Then we need 1/3.
1/3. 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. Now we're gonna put it.
You
Yeah.
have to mix again.
Yeah, mix.
And be careful because it might spill.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put it with the.
Whoa! I want to stay with Hate. How about? It looks so yummy.
Yeah, I want to eat it now.
Yeah, it makes me feel to eat it like oatmeal. What are we gonna do with this one?
I'm
gonna
gonna
do
switch
this
places
one.
with this and this, so it's gonna be easier instead.
Yeah, that's easier. Whoa!
It smells good.
Yeah, so good.
It smells like chocolate. done mixing the muffin mix, the bran muffin mix, with the oat milk, the egg, together with this. Now we're gonna put all the rest of the ingredients. Okay, Jen, you can put the banana.
I want you to put it.
Okay.
Because I don't really know how to put it. Oh, so like that. And then we're gonna mix. Now
And then we're gonna put the nuts.
Nutty. I love nuts.
Wow. And the chocolate chips.
Look like chips, for real.
And then we mix again.
Yay! Whoa.
Whoa, it's different now.
Yeah, different. It's still brown and with my favorite ingredient, nuts. Yay! And chocolate chips. I really feel to eat it right now. Whoa. Wow. Can I have a banana?
Okay, we're almost done. Okay, now we're gonna put this into the muffin hole. We need the spoon. The muffin mix is ready to put in the muffin tray. We're gonna take this much and put it carefully inside.
Be careful. Careful at the take it out with the fork. Here.
Okay, let's take a second one now.
No, the third one.
Not too much. Just need to put it inside well. Take out the rest.
And clean.
And clean the bottom. So it's not gonna drip and fall. Now, I'm gonna put it carefully inside. Carefully.
No mess. Careful. Slowly.
Now we're done putting all the mixtures inside the muffin tray. Now we're gonna put it inside the oven so it can bake. And when it's done baking, we're gonna show you what does it look like when it's done, and we're gonna tell you how does it taste like. We're done. Ta-da! Our all bran muffins are ready to eat. They're made out of banana, nuts, dark chocolate, and an all bran flour. I'm gonna open it, mine. Oh, look at the chocolate.
Oh, it's smoky.
And yummy. And healthy.
It's the yummiest and healthiest snack. You can eat it with milk or oat milk.
Oh. Oh. Please.
Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye. Thank you. So good.
Yeah, so good.